This is a Heathkit SB-102. It is in overhauled condition. It's been in use pretty often here in my shack for the last 15 years. Comes with cables and an original manual. It's in excellent condition. It might have a few little paint chips on the edge here, but panel is pristine, clean enough to eat off of inside, and as I said, it's plug and play. I'm Larry, W6WUH in California, and this radio is for sale. I am good on QRZ. I guess I failed to state the obvious that this radio has been retubed, recapped where necessary, peaked and aligned, working just fine. Also, I have a spare solid-state LMO for this radio. And with that spare solid-state LMO and one of the power supply speaker caplets, you can very easily make your own remote VFO and be able to work split with this. This is a far better situation than adapting one of the tube-type LMOs from the SB-101 to try to work with. It's far easier to do, and because it's a solid-state LMO, just that much nicer, exactly right electrically for this radio. That's a very rare item, and it comes with this. As I said, this is for sale. I'm W6WUH in California, and I'm good on QRZ.